How to return a product to Sephora Online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have also purchased some items or products from Sephora and you want to return it, here's what you need to do. So first thing first, just head over to your Sephora.com website and make sure you're currently logged in or signed into your account. And once you successfully sign into your account, just head over to your returns and exchange section. So it will be located under your me section or me button from the bottom of your navigation bar. And if you can't find it, you can also actually go over to order section and you will need to indicate which items you are returning and the reason for your each return. And if available, use the original Sephora packing or packaging. Otherwise, pack the item securely in a box to prevent damage during transit. So print the prepared return shipping label provided by the Sephora and take the label package to designated FedEx location. You can track the progress of your return using the link provided on Sephora website. So once they receive, Sephora will send you an email confirmation once the return is processed. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.